Want to start reading an email on your iPhone and finish it on your Mac or iPad instantly? Let's turn on Handoff, Apple's magic trick for seamless switching. Before we begin, hit subscribe so you don't miss more time-saving iPhone tips like this. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap General. Step 3. Tap AirPlay and Handoff. Step 4. Now turn on the switch next to Handoff. That's it. Your iPhone can now pass apps like Safari, Mail, Maps and Notes directly to your other Apple devices. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on and that you sign into the same Apple ID on all your Apple devices. And there you go. Now you can start on one Apple device and finish on another without skipping a beat. Hit subscribe for more smart iPhone tips that make your Apple life smoother.